In this video, I'm quickly going to show you how to add highlights on Instagram. Stick with me till the end and let's get this video started. Now, in order to add in your highlights, you must first create a story. So tap on your story option on the top left of the screen and then pick any photo or video that you want to add. After you have done that, you can simply tap on your story and the story will be posted. After it completes posting, you can again tap open the story, and on the bottom you will have few options. You simply need to tap on the highlights option right here. You can add in the name of the highlight. You can name it anything you want and you can tap on add. And as soon as you do that, you can head back to your profile and your story highlight that you just added will be visible. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more of these informative videos, make sure to turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming uploads. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.